Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the development of Kuala Kencana Maternity Pre-Construction webinar. We will get started in few minutes. We're just going to allow some time for people to log on. The participant is fully here. Okay, I start now. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to today's meeting for the development of Kuala Kencana Modern City. This ambitious project represents a significant step forward in urban planning and development. Before we dive into the details, I'd like to introduce the key members of our team are driving this initiative. First, let me introduce our project manager, Mr. Nanda. Mr. Nanda is the leader who oversees every aspect of this project to ensure we stay aligned with our vision. Mr. Nanda, could you share a few words now?
Thank you, and good afternoon, everyone. It's an honor to lead such a transformative project. I'm confident that with the incredible team, we will bring the vision of Kuala Kencana Modern City to life.
Assisting Mr. Nanda, Mr. Sultan is capable and dedicated assistant, ensuring that all operation flows smoothly. Mr. Sultan,
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm here to support Abdul to support Mr. Nanda and the entire team to ensure that every detail is managed effectively.
next we have Mr. Rama Shihab, our site manager. He's the one ensuring that all on-site operations are executed flawless. Mr. Rama Shihab,
Good afternoon, everyone. I am excited to bring to vision of Kuala Kencana Modern City to reality truth of vision on growth management. For
administrative task,
administration tech,
we have the Miss. I'm sorry for the administrative staff. We have Mr. Ramadhani and Mr. Iqbal, I guess, who ensure our project remains organized and efficient. Mr. Ramadhani, could you introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, it's a pleasure to contribute to this groundbreaking project. Let's make it a success together.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Ramadhani. I'm sorry for the person. What I mean is Mr. Ricky. Would you like to add anything?
Hey everyone, I'm thrilled to be part of this journey and look forward to supporting the team's success.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Ricky. Quality and assurances is crucial for a project of this scale. Mr. Tommy, our quality control inspector, ensure every component meets the highest standard. Mr. Tommy?
Yeah, hello. Quality assurance is crucial for a project of this scale. Mr. Zaki Hizbullah or quality goblok salah ngucap. Aku salah langsung lanjutin. Good afternoon, all. I'm committed to maintaining top tier quality as we build the city of the future.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Tommy, our safety officer, Mr. Iqbal, and Miss Dila are responsible for ensuring a safe working environment for everyone involved. Mr. Iqbal?
Good afternoon, everyone. Safety is our top priority, and I ensure that all processes are conducted securely.
Miss Dila, do you have anything to add?
Hi, Hi everyone. I here to ensure safety is not just recruitment but culture in this project.
Okay, thank you. Lastly, clear communication is the backbone of a successful project. Mr. Awang, our engineering communication specialist, ensures seamless coordination of all technical project aspects. Mr.
Thank
Awang,
you, Mr. Agil. My role focuses on ensuring efficient communication across teams to keep the project on track. Thank you.
thank you, Mr. Awang, and thank you, team. With such talented individual leading this effort, I'm confident that the development of Kuala Kencana Modern City will set new standard for urban innovation. We are very excited about the collaboration and discussion that will take place today. Thank you to all participation for taking the time to join us. Now that introductions are complete, let's move on the reviewing key point from our previous meeting regarding the development of Kuala Kencana Modern City. This will help us ensure that we are all aligned as we proceed. Mr. Nanda, could you start by summarizing the main update from the project management perspective?
Of course, in our last meeting, we outlined the main milestone for phase 1 of the project. This include land preparation, infrastructure plan, and securing all necessary permits. As of today, land preparation is 80% complete, and we've secured 2 out of their major permit needs for construction. Thank you all for being here today. To ensure we're covering everything thoroughly, I'll now hand over to each team to provide their updates. Let's begin with Rama Shihab from the set of the team. Rama, the floor is yours.
Mr. Rama Shihab?
Thank you for the updates. I, as the seat manager of the Kuala Kencana Modern City Development, land proportion is 90% complete, but current focus on soil competition and drainage system. We are also ensuring that foundation and utilities are ready for the next contraction phase. Temporary facilitation for works and equipment stock are in place. I will continue to monitor the site to ensure safety and smooth progress. No, I will hand it over to the next team for their updates. Thank you.
That's good to hear, Rama. let's keep monitoring the situation. Tommy, any findings from a quality control perspective?
Yes, during the last inspection, we identified some minor issues with the soil compaction process. These were addressed immediately and we're now conducting regular checks to ensure compliance with the required standard. Thank you.
Great work, Tommy. And Iqbal, Dila, call you share updates on safety protocols.
We've maintained solid stability records so far, with no major incident. However, we are reinforcing protocol for working in wet conditions due to recent weather challenges.
To end to that, we also schedule a refresher training session for our on-site workers to ensure everyone remains relaxed and follow safety guidelines.
Excellent initiative, Iqbal and Dila. Farhan, I'd like you to assist me during this meeting to ensure we address all key points at effects. Could you also share any administrative updates or challenges since our last sessions?
Mr. Ramashihab, your assistant project, your answer.
Of course, Mr. Nanda, I will be here to assist with anything you need during the meeting. Administratively, everything has been running smoothly. The only challenge we are actively addressing is streamlining the permit follow-up process. With its progress, will in coordination with local authorities. Let me know if there is anything specific you'd like me to focus on.
Thank you, Sultan. Rian, how's communication between the engineering teams and other departments?
Thank you, Mr. Nanda. The meeting collaborative tool and clear channels for updates and urgent issues. We'll enhance this further with visual tools to align all teams and ensure the project stays on track. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for your updates and insight. It's clear that we're making steady progress across areas despite some challenges. With that, I'll now hand the floor back to Akhil as the card present to guide us stop the remaining agenda. Akhil, over to you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Nanda, and thank you to everyone for the detailed update. It's great to see the team working together so efficiently. Let's proceed with the next session and address any remaining topic before we conclude today's meeting. With the review complete, let's move on to our next topic, setting goals and action items for the upcoming phase of the project. Before we get started, I'd like to go over a few ground rules to ensure that our discussion is smooth and productive. First, I kindly ask everyone to refrain from interrupting while someone is speaking. Let's allow each person to complete their updates or remarks before moving on the next. Second, There will be a dedicated Q&A session at the end of the meeting. Please save your question and comment for that time. This will help us stay on schedule and ensure that everyone's input is heard. With that said, let's begin. Mr. Nanda, could you start by giving us a quick overview of the project's current status?
Thank you, Akil. Good morning, team. Before we dive into the specials, I want to emphasize how crucial everyone's role in the development of Kuala Kencana Modern City. Today will review progress, address challenges, and set clarification points for the upcoming phase. We'll go through updates from a team, starting with site operations. Rama Shihab, could you provide us with a progress report on the on-site activities?
Thank you. As of now, land preparation is 90% complete, with final grading and soil stabilization in progress. Temporary facilities of works and equipment are set up. Safety audits have been conducted and improvements are being made to ensure a safe work environment. We are also finalizing the seat layout for alternates ahead of the next phase. Everything is on track, and I will continue to monitoring progress closely. Thank you.
Thank you, Rama. Let's make sure to monitor those adjustments closely. Next, Tommy, could you update us on quality control measures?
Thank you for giving me the floor. Good afternoon, everyone. Quality control is a critical aspect of contract construction project. It ensures that the work we deliver meets the highest standards of safety, compliance, and durability. Let me highlight a few key points. Number one, safety. Quality control helps identify and mitigate risks on site, reducing the likelihood of accident and ensuring a safer working environment for everyone. Number two, compliance. Adhering to building codes, regulation, and cleanliness is critical. Quality control ensures that we meet these requirements, avoiding legal complication and project delays. Number three, cost efficiency. Detecting and addressing issues early saves times and money by preventing costly rework, delays, and unnecessary expense. In conclusion, quality control is vital for maintaining safety, ensuring compliance, and optimizing costs. It's our responsibility to uphold this standard to deliver a successful and sustainable project. Thank you.
Thank you, Tommy, for your clear and insightful explanations. Quality control indeed plays a crucial role in ensuring the success of the development of Kuala Kencana Modern City. Your point on safety, compliance, and cost efficiency are vital reminders for all of you. Now, let's move on to the next topic. Iqbal, the floor is yours to discuss safety photocopies.
Thank you, Mr. Nanda, giving me the floor. Safety is about minimizing risk and having clear plans to address potential hazards. Here are the key points. Point 1. Wear PPE. Always use goggles, helmets, gloves, boots, and other safety gear to reduce exposure to hazard. Point 2. Follow SIG. Pay attention to safety SIG and instruction placed around the seat. Point 3. Provide clear instruction, conduct sheet, induction, and toolbox tasks to ensure workers understand safety protocol. Point 4. Keep the seat steady. Remove debris and hazard daily to prevent accident. Point 5. Organize tools properly. Store tools in designated areas and unplug unused equipment to avoid injuries. I now hand it over to my colleague, Miss Dila, who will elaborate further. Dila, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Iqbal, for giving me the opportunity to explain on what you explained earlier about workplace safety. I like to add a few more important points. One, as the right equipment for attacks. Attacks often occur when workers as improper tools. I strongly encourage everyone to prioritize safety by asking the correct tool for every text to prevent and accidents, even minor ones. Prefer an emergency response plan. We will have a deadline team responsible for guiding workers during emergencies, such as natural disaster, freeze, or other annexes. This team will also handle any safety-related issues that arise during the project. Yang ini set up safety. To ensure safety on set, we will implement engineering controls such as barriers, fences, and other safeguards to isolate hazardous areas, including those with high voltage, electric, or toxic equipment. 9. Inspect tool and equipment thoroughly. Before starting work, always inspect tool and equipment to ensure they are free from defects or damage. 10. Report ensure immediately. Train worker to report any defects or near miss in the text as soon as the nothing team. Problem can only be resolved if management is made aware of the property. That all I have to share for now. Please take this point seriously and apologize for any shortcomings in my explanation. Thank you on again for giving me this opportunity back to Mr. Nanda.
Thank you, Iqbal and Dila, for the comprehensive explanation on safety protocols. Your insight and guidelines are invaluable for maintaining a safe working environment on this project. Sultan, I'll hand it over to you to cover administrative and communication updates.
Thank you, Mr. Nanda. From the communication sides, Aweng, could you update us on the communication status between the engineering teams and other departments?
Thank you, Mr. Sultan. Communication between engineering and other departments is smooth with structured updates, weekly cross-department meetings, and real-time tracking via project management software. Urgent matters like design changes are promptly shared to avoid delays. We are committed to continuously improving this process to keep everyone aligned as the project progress.
Thank you, Mr. Aweng, for bring this issue to our attention and sharing your proposed solution. Reliable communication is vital for smooth project execution. And I trust your team will implement the necessary improvements. Now, let's move on to project administration. Ramadhani and
Mr.
Ricky,
Ricky.
please share your updates.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my presentation today. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Well, today's presentation is about development of Kuala Kencana Modern City, especially about addressing budget consideration in the development of Kuala Kencana Modern City. After that, I am going to show you about Kuala Kencana, project background, budget allocation, financial challenge, budget management strategies, and conclusion of this project. I'd be glad to answer all of your questions after my presentation. Let's begin by addressing budget consideration in the development of Kuala Kencana Modern City project background. Let me turn out to content purpose developed to support company operation and the development of Timika City with an environmentally friendly concept. Location situated in Mimika Regency, Central Papua, covering an area of 17,078 hectares. Let's me on to budget allocation content. Total investment, significant investment made by PT Freeport Indonesia for infrastructure and facilities. Key expenditure infrastructure, development of underground utilities, including power lines, communication, clean water distribution, and sewage treatment system. Public facilities, construction of office building, public and social facilities, and place of worship. Next will be continued by my colleague Ricky, Mr. Ricky.
Okay, let's move on to financial challenge, contents, cost overruns, potential challenge in managing expenses beyond initial budget estimates, resource allocation, balancing fund between infrastructure development and environmental sustainability initiatives. Let me turn out to budget management strategies, content, sustainable development framework, implementation of PT Freeport Indonesia, sustainable development framework to ensure efficient use of resources, public-private partnership, collaboration with the Mimika Regency government, exemplified by the joint investment of USD 10 million or IDR 150,000 billion in the water treatment plant to provide clean water for Timika residents. Finally, I will summarize my presentation. Conclusion, content, summary, effective budget consideration and management have been crucial in the successful development of Kuala Kencana, integrating environmental sustainability with modern infrastructure. Future outlook, Kuala Kencana serves as a benchmark for future urban development projects in Indonesia, including the development of the new capital city in Yes, Kalimantan. This structure provides a comprehensive overview of the budget consideration involved in the development of Kuala Kencana modern city. Okay, thanks you most for your participation, and finally it brings me to the end of my presentation. If you have any question, I would be pleased to answer them.
Thank you, Mr. Ricky. Overall, the teams have made excellent progress despite a few challenges. Mr. Nanda, I'll pass it back to you to summarize before returning the floor to Mr. Agil.
Thank you, Sultan, and thank you everyone for the updates. It's great to see the dedication across all times. Akil, I'll hand the floor back to you to guide us through the next agenda item.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Nanda and Mr. Sultan. The update shows significant progress, and I appreciate everyone's effort. Let's move forward with the next agenda. Okay, now as we approach the end of today's meeting, I'd like to summarize what we discussed and the key takeaways. Remember, if you have any further question or points to raise, the floor is open during the Q&A session. Let's continue to work collaboratively and maintain our momentum for the development of Kuala Kencana Modern City. Mr. Ramadhani?
Thank you, Mr. Akil. Before we proceed to the next session, let me provide a quick summary of today's discussion. Point 1, project updates. Ramasihab shared progress on site and emphasized adhering to schedules to meet deadlines. Point 2, safety protocols. Iqbal covered essential safety measures, including PPE usage, site cleanliness, and emergency response plans. Dila added points on using the right equipment, setting up safe work, and regular inspections of tools and equipment. Point 3, quality control. Tommy emphasized the importance of quality control in ensuring safety, compliance, and cost efficiency. Point 4, engineering communication. Awang highlight the signal challenge affecting communication and proposed solutions such as portable boosters and adjust schedules. Point 5, Ricky and I discussed updates on documentation, resource tracking, and coordination with authorities to streamline the project. In conclusion, today's meeting provides clear action items and solution to address ongoing challenge. Thank you all for your input and dedication to the development of Kuala Kencana Modern City. Let's continue to work toward the success of this project.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Ramadhani, for the detailed summary. With this clarity, let's proceed to the next scene. We'll now open the floor for a Q&A session or question and answer. If you have any question, feel free to ask.
Thank you, Mr. Agil. I have a question for Mr. Tommy. Regarding quality control, what are specific methods or tool will you use to ensure compliance with safety standard on site?
Thank you, Mr. Iqbal, for the question. Mr. Tommy, could you please address that?
Of course, thank you, Iqbal, for your question. To ensure compliance with safety standards, we'll be implementing regular site inspection and audit using checklists aligned with industry standards. We'll also use digital tools to monitor progress and track compliance in real time. Additionally, we'll provide training session for workers to ensure they fully understand the safety protocols. This step shall help us maintain a high level of quality and safety throughout the project. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Tommy, for the detailed response. Due to the time constraint, if there are any other question, please submit the through to the chat box located in the bottom corner. We'll ensure that are addressed promptly after the meeting. With that, I officially close today's meeting. Thank you a lot of your contribution and dedication. Have a great day ahead and wish luck together to us.
For smooth project execution. And I trust your team will implement the necessary improvement. Now, let's move on. Project administration. Mr. Puput and Vicky, please share your update.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my presentation today. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Today's presentation is about development of Kuala Kencana Modern City. especially about addressing budget consideration in the development of Kaula Kencana Modern City. After that, I am going to show you about Kuala Kencana project background, budget allocation, financial challenge, project management, practice, and conclusion of this project as we will to answer all of your questions after my presentation. Let's begin by addressing budget considerations in the development of Kuala Kencana Modern City project background. Let me turn up to content purpose developed to support company operation and the development of Timika City with an environmentally friendly concept. Location situated in Mimika County, Central Papua, concerning an area of 17 hektar. Let's move on to allocation content. Total investment, significant investment made by Directorate for Indonesia for infrastructure and facility. Key expenditures, infrastructure, development of underground activities, including power line, communication, clean water distribution, and sewage treatment system. Public facility, construction of office building, public and facilities, and place worship. Next, we continue my Ricky, Mr. Ricky.
Let's move on to financial challenge, content, cost overruns, potential challenge in managing expenses beyond initial budget, estimated resource allocation, balancing fund between infrastructure development and environmental sustainability into our focus. Let me turn on to budget management strategies, content sustainable development framework, implementation of DTP Indonesian sustainable development framework to ensure efficient of resources, public-private partnership, collaboration with the Mimika Regency government, exemplified by the line investment of USD 10 million in the water treatment and to profit clean water for Mimika residents. Finally, I will summarize my presentation. Conclusion content. Summary effective budget consideration and management have been crucial in the successful development of Kuala Kencana. Integrating environmental sustainability with modern infrastructure future outlook. Kuala Kencana serves as a benchmark for future urban development projects in Indonesia, including the development of the new capital city in Kalimantan. This structure provides a comprehensive overview of the budget consideration involved in the development of Kuala Kencana Modern City. Okay, thanks you much for your attention. And finally, it bring me to the end of my presentation. If you have any question, I would be pleased to answer.
Thank you, Mr. Ricky. Overall, the terms have excellent progress despite a few challenges. Mr. Rama, I'll pass back to you to summarize before to make the floor telephone.
Thank you, Mr. Sultan, and thank you everyone for the updates. It's great to education across all team. Mr. Ivan, I will hand the floor back to you to get us through the next agenda item.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Rama and Mr. Sultan. The next is that through significant process, and I appreciate everyone's effort. Let's move forward with the next agenda. Now, as we approach the end of today's meeting, I'd like to summarize what we discussed and the key takeaways. Remember, if you have any further question or point to raise, the floor is open during in the Q&A session. Let's continue to work collaboratively and maintain our momentum for the development of Kuala Kencana Modern City.
Before we
Mr.
pro-
Fani?
Before we proceed to the next session, let me provide a quick summary of today's discussion. Point 1, project update. With the shared progress on site and emphasized adhering to schedules to meet deadlines. Point 2, safety protocols. The cover essential safety measures, including PPE usage, site clean lines, and emergency response. Nabil added points on using the right equipment, setting up safe work, and regular inspections of tools and equipment. Point 3, quality control. Zaki emphasized the importance of quality control in ensuring safety, compliance, and cost efficiency. Point 4, engineering communication. Awang highlight the signal challenge affecting communication and proposed solutions such as portable boosters and adjust schedule. Project administration, Ricky and I discussed update on documentation, resource tracking, and coordination with authorities to streamline the project. In conclusion, today's meeting provides clear action items and solutions to address ongoing challenges. Thank you all for your input and dedication to the development of Kuala Kencana Modern City. Let's continue to work toward the success of this project.
Thank you, Mr. Ramadhani, for the detailed summary. With this clarity, let's process it to the next session. Well, now open the floor for a Q&A session. If you any question, feel free to ask. Mr. Safety Officer, your mic is off.
Thank you. I have a question. Regarding quality control, what a specific method or tool will you use to ensure compliance with safety standard on site?
Okay, thank you, Mr. Iqbal, for the question. Because Mr. Zaki is not here, and I will pick up with the question from Mr. Iqbal.
Of course. Thank you, Andy, for your question. To ensure compliance with safety standard, we'll be implementing regular site inspection and audit using checklists aligned with industry standard. We'll also use digital tool to monitor progress and track compliance in real time. Additionally, we'll provide training session for workers to ensure they fully understand the safety protocol. That step solves help us maintenance a high level quality and safety throughout the project.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Iqbal, for your answer. For the dialing response, due to time constraint, if there are any questions, please submit them through the chat box located in the bottom corner, while ensuring they are addressed promptly after the meeting. With that, I officially close today's meeting. Thank you all for your contribution and dedication. Have a great day ahead and thank you.